Cryptoslo, cryptocurrency news and investing.
Cryptoslo with more crypto gains. What's going on, guys? So a great video for you today, and that is how to bridge Tron to the Binance Smart Chain. So let's say you're over in some Tron dApps like the old Flow or whatever, Shrimp Farm, and you want to move some of those divs over to the Binance Smart Chain site. You can use the TronPad Bridge. Works pretty well. I tested it a little bit ago, so let's get into it. Now, the actual bridging, first you want to make sure when you go to the page that it's Tron on the left, Binance Smart Chain on the right. Then you're going to go over to JustSwap, and this is the V1 pool. So all the liquidity is still in the V1 pool. Now, I looked at the liquidity. There's about 650K, so not too bad. So I'm going to go ahead and buy TronPad. So it's the first thing that you have to do is buy the TronPad, okay? Because the bridge is through the TronPad token. Well, you're like, well, there's going to be some slippage. Of course, there's fees and slippage as always, but you know, what are you going to do? So not too bad. Moving over 29,000 Tron, about 0.69. So I'm good with that. So go ahead and authorize the contract. Now, you can go ahead. I've put the links down below. You can add TronPad to your TronLink wallet as well if you want. So, second step, go over to TronPad Bridge and I'm going to connect your wallet. And actually, the very first thing you want to do is you want to make sure the Tron is on the left and Binance is on the right. Okay, so I connect my TronLink. And it says I have 28,000 TronPad. Now it looks like there is a 1 million TronPad limit, so I'm not even going to come close to that. The next thing you do is put in your receiving address on the BSC side. Make sure this is a wallet that you own, okay? Once again, don't get wrecked. Go ahead and hit swap. TRX fee, blah, 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 blah. Going to go ahead and approve. Now, what I noticed was when this finishes, the screen turns black, but I didn't have any problems. Hit submit, sign it, and let it grind away. Now, the transfer can take up to 2 hours, but mine went through in a few minutes. So, how do you know when you got your TronPad? Well, you want to go over to metamask, assets, go ahead and add the import tokens, put in the TronPad address as always, and import the token name. Okay. All right. Now that I'm on Pancake, I'm going to go ahead and do my TronPad to BNB transaction. All right. So 28,495, blah, 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 slippage tolerance. Always make sure your numbers are set on your slippage. And I'm going to go ahead and swap. That's it. I got my BNB. So now that I have my BNB, I'm going to go ahead and flip that to BUSD. All right. Let's do 10, 5,000. Swap, price updated. All right. I got my BUSD. Going to head on over to elephant.money. Connect my wallet. Make sure BUSD is enabled. Mint a little trunk. Okay. Let that confirm. Go down to Stampede. And I'm going to bond my trunk. That's it. That's all there is to it. That's how to bridge TRX over to Binance Smart Chain using the TronPad Bridge. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Like, subscribe. As always, this is Cryptoslo. If you're not talking gains, then we're not talking.